Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on Temu using your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Temu app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you download the app, open the app, and on the bottom of your screen, you can see Home, Categories, You, and Cart option. Tap on You. Once you do that, on the top right corner you can see settings option. Once you tap on settings, you can see there are options like your payment methods, country and region, language, currency, notification, etc. You have to tap on language and select your preferred language from the language given on the screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your language on your Temu app using your phone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.